Ever thought of supporting your male health goals naturally? Today, we're exploring a simple yet powerful morning drink recipe that combines superfoods known to boost circulation, immunity, and more. Intrigued? Stay tuned. Our recipe's key ingredients are carrots, blue onion, lemon, and honey. Each of these has unique nutrients that can enhance vitality, circulation, and hormone balance when consumed daily. Let's dive into their benefits. Carrots are a powerhouse of vitamin A, which supports skin and eye health. They're also rich in beta-carotene, a nutrient that improves blood flow throughout the body and is crucial for male health functions. Plus, these crunchy veggies supply antioxidants to reduce inflammation. Next, we have blue onions. High in quercetin, these are a boon for cardiovascular health. This antioxidant enhances blood flow while maintaining heart wellness. The phytochemicals in onions strengthen immunity naturally over time, providing an additional health boost. Then we have lemons, packing a punch with vitamin C. This potent antioxidant safeguards your body from daily damage. This citrus fruit can optimize cardiovascular function and increase blood flow overall. Its nutrients protect cells from oxidative stress, keeping you healthy and strong. Finally, we have honey, a natural vasodilator known to improve erections. Regular honey intake may elevate testosterone levels and sperm counts as well. Its natural sweetness balances out the other ingredients, making your morning drink not just healthy but tasty too. Ready to whip up this energizing drink? Simply combine 1 carrot, half a blue onion, the juice of half a lemon, 1 teaspoon of honey, and 8 ounces of warm water. Drink it every morning on an empty stomach for a natural boost to your day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Follow us for more health tips. And remember, the journey to better health is best enjoyed with a community, so share your experiences with this recipe. Until next time, keep thriving naturally.